Greetings, salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. I think I'm like doing yoga right here. You can't see my feet though. But how's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Welcome to a new video. If you can tell by the title of this video, today's video is going to be a haul video. So I'm super excited to share with you guys what I ended up getting from the Goodwill a few days ago. And there were some goodies, let me tell you. But first off, if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls and vlogs, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications. Add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here. And check out my shop, itsHadrian.com, where I am actually having a sale if you're watching this in the month of June 2018. The whole month I'm going to be offering 10% off your entire purchase, so just send me a DM or message me in the app, and I'll lower the price of the item, and I'll also bundle stuff for you as well. And if you're watching between June 6 and June 13, Depop is actually offering free shipping if you purchase anything from my store for that week. So that, I think that'll just happen automatically, but don't forget to message me for 10% off. And if unfortunately I can't go back and, like, if you already purchased something and then you see this video, I can't go back and like adjust prices for you. So you have to message me first, please. But with that being said, let's get into this haul because I got some really exciting stuff to share with you guys. First of all, I got these little Stormtrooper socks for Eliza. I had to get them. They were like $1. So cute. So, got that. And I think, no, these were not $1. They're 50 cents. Yeah, they're 50 cents. I think they're actually just $1 at the store, but got these for 50 cents. I just got them because I was like, well, Eliza likes these, and 50 cents. Why not? Okay, up next. Okay, so this was very serendipitous that I found this particular piece, and it is this Bombay mug. Now, or cup. I actually have like the matching set for this. Like, I have like another cup, the exact same one, so now I have a matching set, which is perfect. Found at a completely different store too, and I found that one like last week or week and a half ago, and now I'm super excited. This was $1.99, so now I have the matching tea set, so now I have matching cups. Yay! It's always great to have matching cups, I feel like, sometimes. Especially when they're like really cute and specific like that one. Alright, now, okay, so this was pretty cool. I got this, it's called the Kinsa Smart Stick Thermometer. And you like connect it to your phone, and it gives you like the child's temperature and like all that stuff. It guides you from the first sign of sickness to recovery and beyond, which is pretty cool. My mom and dad are a nurse though, but I just got this for my dad's a doctor, my mom's a nurse, but I got this for like the specific reason of being able to monitor like temperature. I think that's really cool. And yeah, and this was $8, but it's down to $4, which I think was a great savings. I don't know how much these cost originally, but yeah, it's cool. You can download the app from the Apple Store or Google Play, and I'll let you guys know how this works out, because I know a couple of people that actually have this and they really like it, and I thought that this was really cool. The only thing is that I think it connects to like the audio jack in your phone. So if you have like a newer phone, it's not gonna have the audio jack. But I have like my iPad has it, so as long as it has an audio jack, this will work. So I thought that was super awesome. And then I also picked up this guy. It's just like an extra iPhone charger thing. The kids are always breaking theirs, and this was $2. So picked it up for the children in case they break theirs. I'm just gonna like keep that until I hear that one of them broke it again. Okay, so then up next, these floral coat shoes. They're super cute. They're so spring and summery. Pink and orange and kind of like a red color flower. They do need a little bit of a cleaning, which I'm going to have to do, but they're really cute. They were $6.99, so $7. So I thought I would pick them up. And while we are on the topic of shoes, I also got these Tory Burch little flip-flops. They have lobsters on them, and I love anything nautical. They're blue and white with lobsters. That's like perfect. And I don't know what size these are, but I'm gonna have mom try them on, that I can actually like pretty much gauge what size they'll be. I'm hoping they're an 8.5 so that they'll fit mom, because I know that like we're both lovers of under the sea creatures, and I feel like these might be an 8.5 for her. So I'm hoping, cross your fingers for me and see, hopefully they'll fit her. Oh, okay, so then let me show you the last pair of shoes that I have here. Hold on, I don't want to like drop anything that I have over here. Okay, so I think it was just last week that I found some Stella Mccartney for Adidas men's shoes. Well, lo and behold, I found another pair of Stella McCartney Adidas, but these are for women. They're really cute. I love them. I love this coloration. This one, these are a size 7. And these are nice. They're actually a lot cleaner than the ones that I got, the men's shoes that I got, that I still have to clean up. But these are so cool. Stella McCartney for Adidas, and these were only $10. So cool, right? Oh, so cute. Okay, super excited. I've been like picking up a lot of really great shoes lately, which has made me very, very happy. Alright, up next, I have this really cute little hobo bag. It's just a cute little crossbody satchel. Has a back pocket, and then the top flap opens, and then there's a front pocket, and then there's a zipper pocket in the inside. Just a really cute, easy to carry bag. It's kind of like in a taupe color, and just a really great little crossbody bag in general. And I just love Hobo International bags. If you guys are familiar with Hobo International, you know how awesome their leathers are. And this bag is made of that leather, so it's super, super cute. Then up next, I have this really cool lamb bag. So awesome, in black with, this is an embossed snake skin. Very cool, has a little tassel right there. This guy was only $10. And I love lamb bags. I don't know why Gwen Stefani stopped making handbags, but she stopped making them a few years ago. And I still think that they're super awesome. So this is a really great black lamb bag. And what else can I say? It's in really great condition too. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bag. There's a front pocket right here that has like the little lock on it, and the interior, this has a interior zipper pocket and then 2 open pockets right there. So there's that. Oh, also, I totally forgot about this one. I have another little, this one's another little Hobo International bag. Now this one's really great. It's in a kind of like a seafoam color. Now this one, the leather on it has definitely a lot more wear than, like, not actually too much. I feel like I can actually clean up a lot of it. But it does have like some like lightening on it already. But that's like the nature of this leather. Like it does start to like fade or darken over time. It starts to get like a healthy patina. Now this is like a wallet on a chain. So there's a back pocket right there. And then it has this top flap that actually opens up. It has a zipper and it goes all the way in. And it actually has a zipper pocket, which is really cool. And then in here, this one just has some card slots right in there. And then just like a nice open pocket area. And that just closes like that. So there is that little wallet on a chain. Okay, and then up next we have this gorgeous Rebecca Minkoff hobo bag. So stinking cute. I love this tassel. That's like the first thing I saw. I was like, oh my gosh, what is this tassel? I need it. It's beautiful. Now this bag, this zips all the way around actually. So you can either have it zipped closed or open, and then actually expands the bag if you open it up. And then the interior, just like that, has a zipper pocket and then 2 open pockets, and then has really cool like little studs across the top. And this one does show like signs of wear. It has some like lightening and darkening throughout, but I still think that like this bag has so much life left to it, and I'm definitely gonna try and clean it out. It's primarily like right here. There's like 2 dark spots. I don't know what they are. Can you see that? Yeah, it looks like a shadow almost, but it's like right there. Right there. So hopefully I can clean it up a little bit. And then last but not least, now this is probably not an authentic bag, but I had to get it regardless because I just thought it was so cute, and it's like the trim is actually leather. And it is this like vintage, probably fake Louis Vuitton bag. It's super wrinkled on that one side. The back side is like a lot better, but I'm sure it'll like lighten up over time. And then inside it's just like that. Just like the underside of the canvas. There's a pocket, and yeah. There you go. There's that. Louis, it's probably definitely fake. Cause just like, look at that. Like, is that even like how it's supposed to look? No. But I don't know, how do the vintage ones look? Anyway, it's still pretty cool regardless. Just like a speedy style bag is so cute, and it's just cute, right? Like, it just looks, it actually is not too bad, right? I'm gonna like fill it up and see if I can get those wrinkles out, but it's really cute, and it has like the little lock and everything, which I think is really nice as well. It has like the Louis Vuitton little lock right there. And the lock is like really heavy. Like the lock feels really nice. Even if I just bought it for the lock, this is like super cool. I wish it had a key, but it doesn't. But let's see if it opens. I don't even check to see if the zipper works. Oh, the zipper still works really well, which is awesome. So there's that. This is going to end the video. So thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. I had a blast just bringing you guys into the store and showing you guys what I ended up finding, and we got some really great stuff at this particular location. I just love this store so much. It's one of the smaller stores that I go to, but I feel like I always find a lot of really great stuff there, so I'm always excited every time I go. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you did. Let me know down below in the comments what your favorite item was that we found. Let me know if you guys have found anything really cool recently, because I love hearing about your finds as well. Don't forget to tune in today at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the new vlog video, and tomorrow bright and early at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for a new thrifting video. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys later. Bye! Okay, sorry you guys, I had to move. Someone was trying to go by. But while I was moving, I found a bunch of other stuff. So I found these cute, like, plastic Coach shoes. They are $10, or these are Coach sandals. I'm pretty sure they'll totally fit mom. So I think I might get them. I'm gonna send her photos, so we'll see. Then I found these Mickey Mouse shoes. Oh, I just noticed that like the fronts are in horrible condition. So don't think I'm gonna